What's up, YouTube? It's your boy 2 Stroke, and so I did a lot of work on the truck this past week. I didn't really record anything, but parts are steadily coming in. So I got my wheels, my wrap is in the laundry room, and I put my new hood on. That's the old hood. So I was gonna show y'all the truck. I bondoed some slight dents. I had my buddy come over and help me with that. So I got the new hood on. Don't have the dents. I'll show you the dents in the other one. That's why I had to change the hood. But it's pretty much everything sanded up. It's ready to go. The only thing I'm waiting on is new grill, new headlights, and then the rest of my wrap. So I have the wrap for the two sides, and I'm waiting for the stuff for the hood, the front bumper, the roof, tailgate, and rear bumper. That's the only thing I'm waiting on. But here's the old hood. This is the reason why I had to change it and stuff. So when I first got the truck, I had it for probably a week, and I put a new grill on it. The latch didn't latch all the way. So I pulled out of my driveway, started driving. Hood came up, smacked the windshield. Dented the hood, so I undented it myself. But it still has hail damage and stuff like that, so I was like, I might as well get a whole new hood. So I got a new hood. But yeah, I'm just pretty much waiting on parts and waiting to get the green light to drop the truck off for the wrap. Other than that, I think we're making good progress. It shouldn't take long to be finished. So I will drop another video Thursday. So all the parts should be in Wednesday. I'll probably work on it Wednesday night, some of Thursday, and I'll drop another video Thursday. But this is probably the only time y'all gonna see me talk. I'm just gonna get straight into the video of changing the hood, finish sanding up the other side, and I will, if y'all get me to 150 subscribers, I will show y'all the wheels before I get my wrap. 150 subscribers, I'll show you the wheels before I get my wrap. That's the box right there. So that's the only hint y'all get. So I will catch up with y'all, and here's me sanding up the rest of my truck.
Evidence. 27 hearts beat.
About to fill in these dents. I can't even find it. It's so small. What you doing, Bradley?
Nah, shit, dude. We're gonna fix your shit.
Fix my shit. Oh man,
It's a little cold out here, no cap.
it's a little chilly. I told you.
It's a little chilly.
A little chilly.
Been in this shit all day.
No cap. That boy making cocaine.
You want some?
Nah, I'm good. I got virgin news.
And then like not like what I got to do about it. Like,
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
You think if I did body filler on these, it'll like make it look smooth, like one piece?
Like through here?
Yeah.
Oh, I mean you could feel that little crack up right there. That's for sure.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know if it'd be worth it or not. Probably not.
It's hard to say. You gotta find one that has it done to it just so you can see what it looks like.
Yeah. I don't know how the wrap's gonna go through with it all.
Yeah, he's gonna tuck that shit. And then this shit'll harden up and then you can just sand that shit off there.
Yeah. I'll probably do that tomorrow. Yes, sir.
There's that one.